In this video, we will go over how to create an affiliate program in Kartra. First, let's review the global affiliate settings. Go to Sales, Affiliates, and then Settings. Here you can configure global affiliate rules that apply to all products in your account. You can choose to manually approve or automatically approve affiliates who sign up for your program. If you choose manual approval, affiliates will be marked as pending until they are approved. Once approved, affiliates will get access to their promotional links. If your business uses PayPal, you can allow instant payments and automatically pay affiliate commissions when a purchase is made using PayPal. You can also control whether affiliate links get credit account-wide or on a product-by-product basis. Below that, you can set a minimum amount of sales threshold before releasing commissions. You can also require affiliates to complete tax documents. You can add mandatory terms and conditions that affiliates need to agree to in order to sign up. There is also an option to require affiliates to complete a questionnaire when applying. Now, let's go over product affiliate settings by going to Sales, Products. In each product, you can define affiliate settings that are unique to that offer. Locate and open the product you want to enable affiliate promotion for. Go to the Affiliates tab and complete each module to define the product's affiliate settings. Enable the product for affiliate promotion and define commission rates, either as a percentage or a fixed amount. You also have the option to create different tiers for specific affiliates. In addition, you can enable affiliate promotions for opt-in to track referrals associated with completing a form. You can organize affiliates in lists as well as tag affiliates. In addition, you can set payment milestones if you offer customer refund policies. You can also set additional landing pages for your affiliate traffic. They will get promotion links for each page added to this section. If you are tracking referrals, you can add the opt-in page with the form here. With your product enabled for the affiliate program, you can grab the sign-up page to share with your prospective affiliates. Go to Sales, Products, and locate any product enabled for affiliate promotion. These will have a people icon in the product module where you'll find the affiliate sign-up link. Copy the link to your affiliate page and share it. You can add the link to your social media profiles, send it by email, or use any distribution method you prefer. Anyone who visits the link can apply for your affiliate program.